Kalimera, Tikanes. I'm saying good morning. How are you? I am here in my home in Nafplio in Greece, and I'm going to be giving you a little more in depth on living like a local here and my own story. Because I really believe at the end of the day, if I can do it, you can do it. And so you might be tuning into this video thinking, how the heck do I do something like this? And we're going to try and make it a little bit easier for you here. So let me let you in on a little secret. No one has really covered Nafplio, which is why I'm doing it for you. And it's kind of the most amazing kept secret in Greece, and I am letting it out there. So, choose wisely, as they say. But I'm hoping that we do show you more to do with the Nafplio, and so you can understand why it's such a special gem of a place. And more people are moving here from the United States, Canada, Australia, and also other places in Europe. So the expat community is small, but it's growing, and it's growing even faster than I can even imagine, because a lot of the properties that have been for sale, they're just gone instantly. And a lot of people have said, how did you get this rental unit so easily at ease, and what a beautiful place to live in. So if you're thinking about coming to Nafplio and looking around for either buying or renting, you want to make sure you give yourself ample time to talk to different real estate agents and the community that's the expat community. We find each other on Facebook. We have a few coffee meetups and also go for a drink. So the expat community is small, but it's growing, and it's a beautiful one to be a part of. And now I'm going to show you a tour of my house. Yes. All right, so let's start with a tour of my house. The lemon tree is giving me a lot of joy. My house is a 2-bedroom home. This outside here is kind of where I keep all my laundry. I take my lemons here, my different cleaning products. I don't really have anything sitting out here. And then we move into my kitchen. You can see that I've harvested quite a few lemons from the tree. And my house came fully furnished and stocked with every appliance. I actually use this as a workspace because I live alone. I have a dishwasher, but because I live alone, I often find I relax myself doing the dishes. And it came with all the appliances and everything I could imagine, as well as like carpets and different things. This is where I turn on the hot water. That's what happens in Greece. And this is the hallway, my living room. It came with a smart TV. It did not come with the musical instruments, but that is one of the things I do for a living. I think I've mentioned it in some of my articles that I am an international jazz singer. I also write custom wedding songs, so if you have any kids that are getting married, please hit me up. Let's go outside. This was probably the reason I got this place in the first place. When I saw the view, look at that view. When I saw the view of the mountains with the sea, it's peeking through some of the tops there. And then from my seat, I can see the castle of Palomides, which is right there. I will also show you what it looks like at night. It just had this really inviting, warm feeling, and fully furnished again with an outdoor barbecue where we've actually roasted whole lamb here. And I wanted somewhere I could also do my private retreats. I do retreats, and you are more than welcome to join me on a retreat here in Greece. So my guests from family and friends, or some of my clients who come for a retreat, this is their room. I can either do 2 single beds, or it turns into a king. And you have a nice Juliet balcony with the lemon tree and very comfortable, bright surroundings. I don't have any of the lights on, so you can see how bright my place is. And it comes with AC in every room. And here is the bathroom. I love this. We have a shower head that is very different than a lot of Greek bathrooms. And of course, laundry, which is a godsend. And this is my lovely room. It's got really tall ceilings, obviously, throughout the whole place. I have another balcony, a gorgeous view and breeze. My desk. I have my goals there. And each room has wardrobe, so. And that's my secure front door. So, as you can see, this is a beautiful place to call home for part of my year here in Greece and the other part in Costa Rica. Siga, siga, slowly, slowly. Vamos, Ella. Area. Wine, like €2 for wine. So I just got back from my shop. I'm pretty sweaty right now. Anyways, I wanted to show you that what you get for €10. Now, I will put this disclaimer. So there's two things to consider here that may or may not concern you. First of all, loyalty is very important. So what that means is once you find the vegetaire, I don't know if that's the word, but once you find your vegetable or your fruit person, stick with them because your deals get better and better as you frequent them more and more. Also, be friendly and try and approach them with some Greek words. I like to say that people are as warm as the sunshine here, but you have to also be sunshine yourself. Now, I may have a few of the vegetable men be attracted to me, so maybe they give me a better deal, but I've also got some females that I go to. So I also suggest that there are some vegetable and fruit people who maybe have one or two items that really super exceed all the other quality of the other ones. And so I kind of pick and choose from my places, but the more that you buy from one person and their stand, the better deal you're going to get. And so that was the main thing I wanted you to know about grocery shopping here in the market. And the second thing is don't hold a bunch of money in your hand. Always have change. Otherwise, they're just going to charge you more. If you come at the end of the day, usually you're going to get better deals on your produce. I wouldn't suggest coming at the end of the day if you want to get your seafood, which you can actually get your fish. And I'll show you that another time, but go in the beginning of the day if you want to get your fish. So we're in my kitchen and I'm going to show you what I got for €10. Fresh farm eggs, broccoli, beets, potatoes, lettuce, fresh oranges, green onions, delicious cherries, green pepper, small cucumbers, leek, carrot, peach, that was actually a gift from one of my friends, and onion. So that's pretty amazing. I have more than enough for the rest of the week, and I'm super excited to get cooking. I am here in Aeifaron. This is the largest eco community in Greece, and it's also a place where we can be safe to explore our spiritual needs, our mind, our body, our soul, our hearts here in this very special community. So I've been coming here for almost 2 years, and it is my absolute pleasure to share it with you. And they've now started to do retreats for the public, and they've asked me to be a part of their very first one. And let me show you how much love is in this place. It is unbelievable. And these are the glamping tents that they have put together with so much care and so much love. And this is Persephone.
Hello.
Hello. She is the
Hi.
main beautiful goddess leader of the retreats here, and we're so happy to be here to bless your very first retreat.
Thank you so
And
much.
we hope
for
that
being
you
here.
who are watching this come and join us in Aeifaron.
Yes, you're always welcome. Welcome to explore together, to share, to enjoy nature and ourselves.
Aeifaron is putting on many different weekend retreats, and some retreats are 1 week long. They accommodate people who come alone and are staying in glamping tents with new friends that they've met, or they have private tents for couples or families.
Is this the outdoor shower? And what a beautiful, oh, Martin, you're bringing us farm to table, all the beautiful fruits from the land. Wow. And then I invited you to come on this retreat.
Yeah.
And here you are. Pretty impressive so far, right?
I am pretty impressed.
Yes. Amazing. Oh, look at the roses. This is gorgeous. Yes. Moresi.
Many people come to do a tour and understand the kind of life you can live when you are just taking things a little bit slower and things are more simple. Aeifaron is a great example of what it's like to live in a blue zone area. And actually, Greece has the island of Ikara, which is deemed one of 5 blue zones in the world where people live the longest. They're in and amongst nature. They're eating fresh fruits and vegetables and organic food coming right from the ground. And they're also able to have a sense of community where they feel connected, loved, and invited into a specific community. And lastly, one of the major things is that they want to be in the mountains or near water and able to find a sense of ease and calm and creativity. And that is all found here in the eco community of Aeifaron.
So you are volunteers for our volunteer program.
Yeah, hello.
And how are you enjoying Aeifaron and volunteering?
It's pretty incredible. Yeah, we enjoy it a lot, like every second, whether working or on the free time. Great time.
And where are you from?
I'm from Germany,
Germany?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. And how did you guys find out about coming to Aeifaron to do a volunteer program?
Through Workaway. Me too. Yeah.
Through Workaway. Didn't you say you were leaving soon and then you ended up staying longer?
No, I always said I don't know how long I'm gonna stay, and it's still the case. So.
And what about you?
I'm leaving in a few weeks, but then I'm gonna come back and I'm bringing my sister.
Whoa!
Yeah.
It's going to be a family affair. When you're not singing in Panharmonia, you're making potatoes. Yes. Palakia. Oh, what did you grab from the forest?
I'm not sure, but it's amazing.
That is a little bit of a tour of Aeifaron, and then also what we're doing in the retreats, and we can't wait for you to learn more.
And there you have it, another episode of ILTV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos, and join me for next week's episode.